Pete Bronson says Robert spoke well of you earlier in the week regarding law and crime drama. Yeah, I mean, I think people on the internet get weird ideas about drama, and like I said, I'm not aware of any, and I don't suspect any either. I've just seen it in chats and stuff. People are like, oh, blah, blah, blah. But I want to, as far as I know, that's all rumor and speculation. But I'll certainly be inviting the law panel in general, and Robert is in our chat, so of course I will ask him if he would like to come on, because it's a complicated issue, and I think he would provide some good insight to it, being someone who's pretty well versed in Wisconsin law. Debbie O says it didn't seem like Barnes had animosity towards you when he was talking about your law and crime issue. He said it was BS and you were the wrong person to F with on this. He seemed cool, not hostile. Yeah. Again, to be very, very clear, I have not seen anything. I think some people may have misunderstood some things.
Our good buddy Nick Rekieta was subject to a cease and desist letter from Law and Crime. Law and Crime got a big boost from me several years ago. Back when they were just starting, they needed content and needed people, and so they commissioned me. Didn't pay me, but commissioned to write a range of pieces for him over the I got him on the front page of Drudge and a bunch of other stuff. Though Dan Abrams kind of owes me on that one, but that's another story. But Law and Crime sent a letter, cease and desist letter, to Nick Rekieta for rebroadcasting what was a court feed, which in my understanding is that publishing court, the whole point of allowing cameras in the courtroom and the broadcasting of it is to allow public access, and that it's not, there is no copyright materials there, period. To my understanding, no court broadcast has ever been interpreted that just because of whoever it is that got to put the cameras in there, that doesn't give them any copyright claims whatsoever. And often in the court rulings themselves, the court orders will make that clear, that they're effectively called pool videos, pool cameras, because they don't want 50 media agencies in there. So they got to have just one set of cameras, ideally, and everybody feeds off the same one. They call it the pool feed. By definition, that's what's taking place here. There's no right. I don't even think the courts would have a legal right to give a copyright to someone to film a public proceeding. The whole point is to make sure it's publicly accessible. None of that is available for copyright protection at all. But despite that, they sent a nasty letter to Nick Rekieta demanding he take down and not broadcast any further. It was a pitiful letter, pitiful effort at intimidation. Probably the wrong guy to try to intimidate. Jack Murphy learned that lesson. But this was clearly, another place that was not.